to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. I got this cutie patootie in the mail today and was like, why not open it? Life has been so busy lately, but I saw this, totally skipped all the emails of notifications of this actually coming to my front door. If you don't know what this is, or you're just listening and not watching, this is the Walmart beauty box. They changed it up a little bit. Like, we're back to the Walmart blue, but this is like a lighter blue, and we have words and a logo. But we're still like saran wrapped, shrink wrapped. I don't know how you put it. So, oh, by the way, I'll leave more about this in the description below. But this is like the cheapest subscription box I get. It's pretty good stuff. It's a quarterly box. It does not say you get full size. It's like a mix. But it's like $6 and change. Comes every quarter, 4 times a year, seasonal, however you want to play it. Right now, I was going to say we're in March, April. Is this April? This is April. It's barely April. But like, is this the spring? Are you spring? Yes, spring 2025. It tells me on the side of the box on this cute little sticker here. It says spring 2025 V1. But then there's like an 88270.1. So I don't know what all that means. But this is the Walmart beauty box. We're going to open it together. See what's inside. And if you also get the Walmart beauty box, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you got. Like, I'm not nosy necessarily, like where I go out of my way to find out information, but I do love some tea if it just happens to come to me and like you tell me what you got to, because I'm like comparing, you know. Compare. Cute. Beauty in Bloom, hashtag Walmart beauty box. Ooh, and on the back we have Sally Hansen and NYX. Cool. On the inside though, this is like a little pamphlet. Oh, springtime, the springtime radiance. Oh, my bad. So these are things you can get in your box, not necessarily things you do get in your box. These are all really freaking awesome, except for the press-on nails. I don't, it's been a long time since I've done press-on nails, so. Ooh, okay. Huh. Okay. So immediately, all things I would totally use. Yes, I sat up, got real close to you. Sorry, I didn't mean to get so close. I'm excited. I'm going to jump right into this first one because this is something I've been debating on buying. They're the Nair Wax Ready Strips for Face and Bikini in Orchid and Cherry Blossom. It's a full-size item. Oh, it's not a full-size item. The full size is $6.97 and you get 40. This is 8. That's it. I thought this would be so much more expensive. Once upon a time I used these. Super easiest thing ever, I swear to you. Let me show you. There's these, oh my god, they're little. Oh, shut the, are they all little? Okay, there's like big and little. Oh my gosh. That's it? There's no way there's, oh yeah, there's 8. They're folded over. So you have these little strips, right? You take them, and there's like a couple in here, so I'm not going to do it. But you take them, tear them out, rub them between like your hands. Just the warmth of your hands is enough to get these kind of like melty and sticky. And then you peel them apart so you have wax on both sides of like the little papers that are holding them. Take the wax on the paper, put it wherever you want, like right next to your eyebrow. I don't typically recommend that because I'm not an expert. I have people do that for me because I don't trust me. No. But like I have arm hair. Like I could probably outbeat everybody combined as far as arm hair in this house. I'm just throwing it out there. I have a lot. But I shave. But if I didn't, put it on, rub it on, wait for it to like cool a little bit, and then you rip close to the skin and in the opposite direction that the hair grows, right? Please, dermatologist tested. Is that so? Yes, hold the skin taut with your free hand and with one quick movement, pull the strip off with the other hand. Always pull in the opposite direction of hair growth. Okay. Go. And it's not, okay. it's not a lot of hair that I have, but I did the laser hair removal thing, right? It didn't really work. My hair is still there. On my underarms, didn't do a dang thing. Not like at first I was like, oh wow, this is working. No, it just turns out they were like burning it off every like 4 to 6 weeks. And then when it stopped, the hair just grew like it was normally doing. So yeah, I do have to shave my underarms even though I paid for laser hair removal surgery. So these are going to come in handy because I want to try these. Because like, not that I don't mind shaving, but I'm like up to 4 weeks instead of like every couple days. I'm excited for. Just me. Has anybody else like religiously used these, or is like not like a novice? I would be a novice, like an intermediate, an expert even. I used these once upon a time, probably like 10 years ago. Way back when. Good stuff. Oh, free sample, not for individual sale. Well, thanks for telling me, Nair. Cool. Sorry, I went on a rant. It's probably going to be like more than half of this video, but I'm excited for that. And I can't believe for $40, it's only $6.97. I, for some reason, would have thought $40, close to like $20, $30. That's really good. Okay, on to the next item. Oh my goodness. No, we are not. So this is not a full size. This is a baby. I can tell you actually factually, this is a baby. The full size is $7.98. This is 0.35 ounces and the full size is 1.12 ounces. And this is the cutest little, it's the Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. And it's so, oh my gosh. Oh my, how do you, cause like you, with the big one, like I typically put it in the cap and then, but like what do you do? How do you like directly onto your brush or, oh, it looks like it's kind of coming out there a little bit. That's pretty cute though. Yeah, I'm going to be using this. Hello, I'm the queen of oily skin. Which, by the way, I did start getting these facial peel things and I'm hoping it's going to help with the oiliness of the skin. Doubtful, but hopeful. This neck, I feel like everything is like a little sample. Are you sample as well? Do you say? It doesn't say. That one doesn't say. The first one does. This for sure is like a, I think you're a travel size. There's no way you're a sample size. We get these a lot in all subscription boxes. This is the Degree Sexy Intrigue Dry Spray. 72 hours motion sense antiperspirant deodorant. The full size is $6.12. This is not a full size, this is a small travel size, which is really handy when you travel. I have taken a couple of these over like the past 2 years, like, and then like the littles in case they run out of deodorant and they need something like quick. Easy peasy. But what is Sexy Intrigue? Do I want to know? Okay, but alright. Sexy and intriguing. Alright, so that's 1, 2, 3. And I guess these last item count as 4 and 5 because you usually get 5 or more items. They are from CeraVe. Can I put them nicely together? Kind of. They're from CeraVe. They're anti-dandruff, hydrating shampoo, and conditioner. The full size is $9.97 each. And I haven't seen these lately because I'm like, my skin is really, really dry with the peel going on. So I'm like, CeraVe is like up there with First Aid Beauty, but I love CeraVe for, what do you call it? The face wash. That stuff is so good. It just moisturizes when I'm washing. So I feel like the First Aid Beauty skin cream or whatever that one is, like, can fully do its job, you know? But that's cool. I saw they had shampoo and conditioner. I didn't know they were anti-dandruff. Or is just like one of the things? I 130% feel like one of these, one, that's the wash. That's it. Bottle's empty. Like, but cool for trying. And that's the whole box. And now, can I put everything back in here nice and neatly? Maybe? Oh. I didn't mean to like yeet you in there. Is this, that's it? That's this? It's really cute in there though. Look at that. Yeah. That is pretty cute though. I think that's adorable. And it like fits in here so wonderfully. Like in my opinion, I think it does. This is a good box. I like my spring box. On here though, I did see a mascara from CoverGirl, the CoverGirl Lash Blast Super Cloud Mascara. It's got vegan collagen, vitamins B5, and an air whipped formula. Oh, I would love to try that. That was one I was hoping for when I opened this. And the NYX Professional Makeup, the Face Glue Priming Gripping Primer. Because I thought like this would be the size of like a primer, like a good size. No, like when I saw this guy in store, it was like this size, teeny tiny little fella, and I was like, there's no way. I'm just gonna use the kids school glue, easier for me. Probably as similar, if not the same. Well, now I don't know. Now I'm curious, but I dropped it. It's okay. But yeah, I just didn't see myself buying something that small for that price. And I know NYX overall is good. I don't think there's anything from, okay, I lied. There's a few things from NYX that I've tried that are not good. Their priming sunscreen thing, not a fan. But that's just the one thing I could think of off the top of my head. Like simple stuff. Everything I got came in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess you want to I feel like when you get shampoo and conditioner though, this is just me. I feel like if you get a shampoo conditioner, it's a set. Like together. That's one. But that's just me. That's cool. Whatever. Let me know in the comments what you guys got in your box. It is very safe to say I will be using all of the items in my box. I don't know what it is lately about the stuff in the Walmart beauty boxes that have just been going so well for me. I don't know. Anywho, I'm going to end this here because I've done so much yapping already. And I love it. But I'm going to end this here. If you like my video, you can hit the like and subscribe button. And this video is going to go in my Walmart beauty box playlist, so you can go check out my past boxes too. Yeah. I've been doing this for a while. I want to say like a couple years. I think so. Anywho, thanks for hanging out. Bye!